We are at 333 Jericho Turnpike. I believe we have an Otis here. Yep, we do. Oh, it's here. Oh, that's weird. Oh, oops. I kind of... Alright, here we go. Ooh, it's loud though. Otis. It's a... gnarly. Dang, this thing is loud. It's interesting, like reddish, like dark red-ish, pink, magenta-ish kind of interior. Got this interesting lantern here. This reminds me of the one I saw in Hop Hog. This is probably a series 2. Alright, here we go. Let's listen to this motor. Because this thing is quite loud. Here we go. Wish the fan wasn't on. Probably used to have the black buttons. Slam. Got a mirror. We're stopping on 2. Go now?
Yeah.
1. There you go. See how loud this thing is. Ooh, it's a big gap. See how loud this thing really is from the outside. Dang, that's loud. Anyways, that's it.